What's the meaning of basketball? Basketball. Basketball.
Basketball. Basketball. Basketball is a team sport that is played on a rectangular court with two hoops attached to opposite ends. The objective of the game is to shoot a ball through the opponent's hoop while preventing the opposing team from doing the same. The game requires players to dribble the ball, pass it to their teammates, and strategically position themselves on the court. Basketball is an incredibly popular sport around the world and has become a cultural phenomenon in many countries. It promotes physical fitness, teamwork, and sportsmanship among players, making it an exciting and fulfilling sport to play and watch.